Meaning of house guest.
House guest.
House guest.
House guest.
House guest. A house guest is a person who stays in someone else's home for a period of time, typically for social or personal reasons. They are generally invited to stay by the host and are expected to follow the rules and customs of the household during their visit. House guests may be family members, friends, or acquaintances, and their visits can range from just a few days to several weeks. While they are there, they often engage in various activities with the host, such as sharing meals, going on outings, or simply spending time together at home.